Hello my darlings, welcome again to my another adventure. Today we have amazing challenge, Christmas DIY challenge, hosted by amazing Heidi Sunboul. So if you haven't visited her channel by now, which I don't believe everybody know amazing Heidi, please do so, along with the amazing playlist. So let's just jump in. DIY number 1, wooden sign, purchased $1.99 from local store. After I removed the hooks, I'm painting it with a Fern Waverly chalk paint since I'm a plate ambassador. So I'm just painting all over on the both sides. And when all that is dry, I'm using wooden flags from Dollar Tree, the Christmas tree and the snowflakes, and I'm using wooden beads from Beebeecraft since I'm a BB affiliate as well. So I'm gonna make a garland and a pattern, couple of beads, tree, couple of beads, snowflakes, and then the Christmas tree, and then again beads and a snowflake. Just like that, super simple and easy. So when the garland is done, I'm seeing if it's gonna fit in the sign inside, and just removing those beads, making them equally. And when all that is done, I'm making a holes on the two corners of the wooden sign so we can add the garland. So I'm adding the garland, putting the twine inside of the holes, just like so. Super simple and easy. And then I'm gonna tie the back, setting up the garland. And now I'm tying the back on the two sides, cutting the edges. Look how cute it looks. And now I'm using those wooden cute leathers from Dollar Tree. After I put some wood wax on them, I'm gonna put them on my wooden plaques. And I decided to put a sign Noel. I'm gluing them with a hot glue, just like that. And for a couple of dollars, we got this beautiful Christmas sign. What do you think? DIY number 2, give back from Dollar Tree with these beautiful stockings. After I cut it off, I'm gonna put it on one of my wooden flags purchased on sale from Joann's. This is one of the Halloween decoration purchased on very cheap, just for a couple of dollars. After I put some Mod Podge and I cut the gift bag, I'm adding it on a sign. I'm Mod Podging it as well. And now the corners, the sides of the frame, I'm gonna use the wood wax as well, just like that. And look how pretty it looks. Nobody can even notice that this is done from a Dollar Tree gift bag. And now next, I'm using a green ribbon, also from Dollar Tree. Make us just a simple bow, add some greeneries on top, distressing it with a white Waverly chalk paint, just like that, to make it like a frosty looking. And after I cut the edges from the bow, I glue it on top of the greeneries. Cut the edges a little bit. Super simple. And now I'm gonna use one of those cute tags from Walmart and it says Noel. Look how pretty. DIY number 3. We're gonna make another sign. I'm using this triangle plaque from Dollar Tree, and I'm using a note sheet purchased on sale from Hobby Lobby. And after I Mod Podge it, I'm gonna add greeneries. I'm just looking how it's gonna look. I'm gonna add some pine cones, and I'm gonna use one of those wooden birds from Dollar Tree. So after I frosted the greeneries, I glue some pine cones as well, and I distressed the bird too. And I add more greeneries on the bottom and a mini Christmas tree, and it's done. Super easy. DIY number 4. I'm using those 2 Christmas trees from Dollar Tree. After I remove that shiny garlands from both trees, I'm gonna add this beautiful green garland purchased from Walmart, and we're gonna make a nice, good looking Christmas tree for our centerpieces for our Christmas. So I'm just going all over, just like that. Super easy. Making it more smoother on the corners. Do the same thing on the second one as well. And when all that is done, we're gonna frost our Christmas tree with our plaster Waverly chalk paint, just like that. And look at the difference. Look how cute those looks. I really like them. Let me know, what do you think? Do you like the shiny sparkly or this ones? We're going to the next DIY. We got a couple of DIYs. We're gonna make Christmas ornaments. Little styrofoam ball and mini golden bells, and I'm just gluing them with a hot glue all over, and we're gonna make a nice cute ornament for our Christmas tree. So I'm just gluing until I fill out the whole styrofoam ball, just like that. Super cute. When all that is done, I'm adding a twine so we can hang it on a Christmas tree, and I also made a simple bow, just like that. Super cute. I'm gonna tie that next to the twine. And that's it. And our Christmas ornament is done. Next ornament, clear plastic ornament from Dollar Tree. Adding a fern paint inside of it. Just like that. Look at the beautiful green color. When it's dry, after I put the cap, I'm using one of those glass stickers, also purchased from Dollar Tree. Putting it on top of it. Just like that. And then I'm making another bow with one of those Dollar Tree ribbons. Simple bow. Putting it on top of it, and that's it. For the next ornament, another clear plastic ornament, different shape. Adding a moss green color. Add a little bit of water. And after all that is dry, I also added one of those stickers, glass stickers. And now I'm just making a simple bow with a green color. Just glue it the corners, make a simple bow, and now cutting on half so I can put it in the middle. Tie it just like that. And that's it. I put it on top of it and it's done. Another ornament, also Dollar Tree, with a sign. I added some gold paint. I added those gold fillers, and it's all done. This one, I added some white sand, and I'm gonna add some miniature Christmas trees, just like that. To make it standing up, I just do it with a pencil just to make them stand. I'm just putting them inside of the sand. And that's it. It's all done and cute. Look how cute it looks. For the following ornament, white simple ornament from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm gonna use one of those golden transfer on stickers. just like that. I'm Mod Podging it, and that's it. Look how cute it looks. Another clear ornament, adding a green scent a little bit, adding those golden fillers just a little bit, just like that. And now I'm gonna add a golden trees inside, 2 of them, so we can have a varieties of ornaments. Let me know what you think. Super cheap, super easy, and super cute, and no one will know that we made them purchase from Dollar Tree. With these snowflakes, I just distressing them with a folk art gold paint, just like that on the both sides, and that's it. And all our ornaments are done, and look how cute they look. For my last DIY, super easy, I got this mini chalkboard, and I'm gonna just, with the help of Martha Stewart stencil, we're gonna make a Merry Christmas sign. And we can put this sign in our tray, tier tray. We can put it in our cocoa bar, wherever you like it. I really love it. I use hazelnut or cashew. I use a cashew Waverly chalk paint. I use one of those red folk arts colors, and I'm using a moss in the middle. I'm just dipping it with a sponge, simple as that, and that's it. Our sign is done, and that's it. And here is my final reveal for all the beautiful Christmas decoration gifts idea. You can even gift stuff like this for Christmas. Super easy, done super easy, on a budget, and super cute. Look how cute the Noel sign look at my ornaments and the Christmas tree together. I am really loving it. Look at this sign made out of the gift bag that no one even gonna know. It says season's greetings. And look at this beautiful triangle sign with the bird and the greeneries and the pine cone and a miniature Christmas tree. I am really loving this. Let me know what you think. I was so happy making all those creations, and I really enjoy it, and I hope you really enjoy watching my video. And before I let you go, please follow the description box with amazing Heidi Sunboul and the amazing playlist with the amazing creators who's gonna give you more Christmas ideas for you to create. Let me know what do you think, and until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye bye.